Hello dear friends, and today I'm going to unbox one of my most favorite perfumes from Armaf Odyssey Limoni Fresh Edition. When I started researching about perfumes like 1 year ago, I thought of buying this perfume right away. It would be a blind buy for me, but somehow I didn't buy it. So now, after almost 1 year, I finally bought it. So this is the packet of the Armaf Odyssey Limoni. One thing, the precaution that you should know before buying this Armaf is that all the Odyssey lines, they are not that long lasting, so it should stay for about 4 hours or even less than that in your skin. So you may try to put on your shirt or pants to make it last a little bit longer, probably 5 to 6 hours, but the smell is amazing, I have to say that. So let's open it. This is the box, as you can see, Odyssey Limoni, and there's some backside. Actually, if you talk about this, then there's just written that manufactured by Starling Perfumes, and then on the behind you'll see the batch code and other ingredients type of stuff. That's not important for me, so let's try to open this box. The box is so cute, as I have seen in some other unboxing videos. The box is really cute, like a toy, and for the same reason someone do not like it as well. Let's open the box. This is Armaf, as you can see. Very interesting. Wow, it looks beautiful, isn't it? And here it is. Wow, it's wow, it's inside a pretty amazing golden box. And here it is, Armaf what it's called? Odyssey Limoni. Odyssey Limoni Eau de Perfume Fresh Edition. Before going here, let me talk a little bit more about the box. As you can see, the box looks amazing. From the inside, it should look like a DJ party or something is happening here. Pretty amazing, pretty cool. So this is a box within a box. And I can't say that it's bad. It looks good. The color, yeah, you can tell something about the color. Like, the color is a pretty odd. It's golden, so like, how to say that? Like, it's kind of harsh, but yep. Anyway, it doesn't matter to me up until the smell is good. Okay, it's somewhat like that. Anyway, okay, let's throw the box over. Let's talk about the perfume. This is Armaf Odyssey Limoni, and as you can see, it's kind of a leathery texture. It's not leather at all, but it has some sort of texture like that. And yep, I think that you should be able to remove it. I don't know. Anyway, so for this time I can't remove it. Anyway, so the first impression goes like that. You will see Armaf printed there on the top, and then surrounding there will be a packet type of stuff where it's written that Odyssey Limoni, and on the back side you will see the sticker, the batch code, and definitely this batch code is same as this batch code, as you can see on the bottom side of the bottle. So common sense should say that it will open like this, but no, this is actually a solid thing, so it will open like this. And this is Armaf Odyssey Limoni. As you can see, there's Armaf written on the top of the sprayer, and the sprayer should be pretty good. Let us see. Yeah, it projects pretty well. Okay, so that's it about Armaf Odyssey Limoni. It's a citrus based perfume, and it's so sweet. It works perfectly for the summer heat of Bangladesh. The price is around 2,800 taka in Senzon. I bought it from Senzon, and the perfume is amazing. The only problem is its projection and longevity. The longevity is about 4 hours. That's the only issue. If you want to buy something that is so sugary, sweet, amazingly sweet and citrusy, then you should try this Odyssey Limoni. And here is my take on Odyssey Limoni. Goodbye everyone. We will see again up until I buy another perfume and unbox it with you. Thank you guys.